If you own a Tesla, but you hate curb rash, this is something that you should have bought a long time ago. One thing that you're going to realize with your Tesla is that with the rims on your Tesla, it is sticking out just a little bit from the tire. So your Tesla is very prone to curb rash, and that can cost you thousands of dollars. But my friends over at EV Base, not only can you get this accessory for 26% off, you can get any accessory for your Tesla or EV when you use the special promo code JFM at checkout. So let's get right to the install. So before you put it onto the car, you do have some foam here, and this is simply just to reduce vibration. So that way you will make sure that you have a very nice snug. So I'm just going to put this on very quickly. You see that I put it on all the way around. All you want to do is look for the tire valve cutout, and I'm going to find the tire valve right here on the tire, and we are going to line it up as so. Now, the thing that you want to be cognizant of is that on here, it's actually clipping in from the bottom. So you want to make sure that that's clipping behind the rim, and you will hear a click. So let's go on and put that on. I'm just going to line up my tire valve, reach behind, and push in, reach in, push in, and we're just going to go around the entire tire as so. Now, as you can see here, that I'm giving it a little tug just to make sure we got a simple connection happening, and already I can see that this tire, I mean, honestly, it is blending in so well. This is made with durable material. It's almost like it's original. This, y'all, can save you a lot of money. So what I'm gonna do now is head on over, do the same process on the other 3 tires. So there you have it. That is a very easy install that you pretty much could knock out within like 5 minutes if you wanna give a minute and a few seconds per tire. So be sure that you check out more videos right over there dealing with Tesla, all things related to your finances, and I will see you in the next video.